Hello, welcome back for lesson number 43. I put a title called the stand. Today we're going to cut the inner area of the stand. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have completed the pointers. We will continue to duplicate the profile that we created on the previous operation. Yes, you are right, we should have created separately, but today we're going to show you how to modify it from the previous profile. Yeah, we're going to edit it, remove the P1, which is the ring. OK. We're going to create the profile operation. Select the profile just we edited, which is the ring with the two stand. OK. Manage the tool. Set a 2 diameter 8 flat end mill. Final. Put a 0 and 8. Tool number 7. Click OK. We're going to edit the parameter of the operations. Set the frame to G54, RPM and feed rate. Select the top Z0 and the bottom Z-10. We're going to cut the base only. Set the engage and retract. Change the color. Calculate. Let us verify. Looks good. We do not know until we verify. Set the frame Z-10. You can see that we drag the tool. OK. OK again. Let us do a solid verify. Yes, to our expectation. Let us do an analysis visual. Yes, looks good. Let us save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, go to the geometry, profile number 2, duplicate, edit, select the P1, remove, OK, 2-axis profile, select the profile, OK, manage, D8, flat and mill, final, 0, 8, tool number 7, click OK, calculate, no, set the frame, G54, RPM is 1000, this is 225, top is this area, bottom, you can zoom in if you want to, yes, base only, do not have anything here, this is 1, 1, one as well. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame. Drag the tool. Z-10. OK. Looks good. Click OK. Let us perform a solid verify. Slow down to here, cut, let us perform a analysis, zoom in, yes, you can see the ring is cut fully. We still have another operation for the outer area for the inner ring. OK. Close. Save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to cut the outer area of the inner link on the next lesson. I see you again. Bye bye.